chicken farm fail. I built this chicken farm and then most of them got out. But
chicken prison. Robo gamer. 1, 2, 3. Space 4. Yeah, dun 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 dun.
You guys, leave a comment, like the video. Come on, if you like the video, I'll be telling you guys how to get Minecraft PE for free. I'm not lying, literally for free.
One of the comments. We'll pick one of the comments
or the subscribers. We're gonna pick subscribers, so if we can reach maybe 20 or 10, I'll be picking a magic subscriber and telling them how to
get Minecraft Pocket Edition for free.
Okay. So, guys, I'm just gonna cover like this up what I was doing. Well, now there's a whole bunch of chickens in our world. But
I'm gonna say thank you to Richmond. Thank you, Richmond.
You guys can see by the name Chicken Farm.
And if you know something, please, like in Minecraft or not Minecraft, please tell us how to kill chickens. I know how to kill chickens with the diamond sword, and we need a door.
Nope, we can just fly over. But when I'm going survival, we can just break it open. Well, I'm going to be spawning more chickens. I don't care, dang. Go ask mommy. My little sister asked me if she can drink water. I'm like, okay, I don't care. She's like, please open it. Okay, to my brother. Well, you guys, we're gonna have to be careful not to grab any of the eggs, even if it's on an accident. Because we get money like a supposed to be.
Get money like a supposed to be.
If we reach more than 15 subscribers, we'll be making a parody of any song you guys pick in the comments below. What? Okay. That's enough chickens because the lag is real. No, there's chickens all over. Well, my brother is building the townhomes. We can quick reveal them.
Did we show you our underground world? I'm glad you asked.
I don't know where it is. Oh, it's right here.
You just go down. Go down.
You guys, we're just gonna be. We had to make a new world because our other world wasn't working out as good. So, yeah, you guys.
And it's gonna say recorded by Mobsin in that corner, right?
Yeah, it really works. You guys should get it. Don't read the hate comments because this works. It doesn't matter what you're using. Flip. Okay, it doesn't matter what you're using. Whatever one. Come back here.
You just have to click the chicken 2 times.
2. Okay, no food. Okay, I see you.
Because they're too small.
Okay, you guys, we're underground right now. Maybe I know what I can do. I'm going to dig, you guys. Dig my way with the diamond sword. How smart.
I know it
Maybe we can make like a little room.
Like a hotel.
No, we're just gonna. Would you guys also leave in the comments below, like, should we have like a traditional thing, like do something at the end of the video, or check on something, or build something? You guys leave in the comments below what we should build and subscribe. I don't know. And then we're gonna show you guys how to get Minecraft for free. The only people that we're gonna tell how to get Minecraft for free. We're gonna pick 2 people actually, and they're gonna get Minecraft Pocket Edition for free
without paying.
Okay.
On the beep
app. There you go. Oh smack! That was my fault. Look, you guys, I'm walking. Ooh.
Thank you.
I fell into. Wow, the flat world is really not even that flat. That was a bad idea, huh?
Could you please just hit fly mode?
Yeah, I am. And I'm going to fly, yeah. Do you guys think I can fly? Yeah, I think I can fly. Yeah, Billy said I think I can fly. This is like confusing. Why do I have to do?
Just give me it.
My brother said I should give him it. Just give him it. Okay, sorry about the technical difficulties. I'm gonna fill that in now.
What's in here? Thought it was a chicken.
I think chickens are outside, Godwin. Don't worry about them.
Don't worry about nothing.
Okay, guys, hold on.
So what if we're under the chicken?
Guys, I am so sorry. My sister keeps going in and out. Right now it's 12:40. My mom has to work for a long time tomorrow. So we're gonna have to go to our boring grandma's house that always takes us out. But who cares?
Where are we going?
To grandma's house tomorrow.
Jesus. Okay.
What
To me.
What? Okay, sorry about that. I don't care who's mean or who's Okay, chickens. You guys know how come I have to eat chicken? I have everything chicken. Because
Eggs.
you guys got a bad idea. I don't care if I hit a chicken or kill a chicken or wreck a chicken or
Eat my jolly in peace. Everybody said, thank you.
where's the chicken gonna go? Why are you looking at me for, chicken? He's running laps.
Chicken of the day.
Yeah, the chicken of the day. That's what we call him, and he just fell off. So who cares about him?
Do I look like that there? No.
Let's see if we can find some nether wart so we can tame a chicken. Nether wrap. Jungle wood. God damn. I was gonna say the lag is real. Okay, I have to get away from here because everything is lagging.
Spider is cool.
I know that's what's in my hand. Just let me keep the snowball real fast. You guys, I was just looking for nether what now?
Nether what now?
Nether wrap.